This is film theory. In this episode, we're focusing on neorealism. This is a movement that reshaped cinema as a whole by shifting people's attention away from fiction-driven spectacle and toward the reality of everyday life. Neorealism emerged in Italy during and after World War II. At this time, the country was still dealing with widespread poverty, unemployment, and social instability. Filmmakers responded by rejecting the polished, studio-controlled style of Hollywood cinema, really, and focused instead on authenticity. So, what does that look like in practice? Well, first, neorealism films often use real locations instead of constructed sets, really. This grounds the story in an environment that feels lived in and believable for the story. Secondly, they frequently cast non-professional actors, meaning people that have never acted before in their life. Rather than relying on these trained performances, the films prioritize people's instinctive behavior and emotional honesty, truthfully. Third, the narratives are very simple. Instead of complex plots or heroic journeys, the stories center on ordinary people facing their everyday struggles, often centering and involving survival, work, and family as common themes. A key example of this is Bicycle Thieves, directed by Vittorio De Sica. This film follows a man trying to support a family in post-war Italy. When his bicycle is stolen, an essential tool for his job, mind you, his situation begins to unravel quickly. This conflict is small in scale, but the emotional and social impact is significant. The camera work is straightforward without dramatic lighting or stylized framing. This allows the audience to focus entirely on the character's experience. This results in a film that feels immediate and brutally honest, truthfully. Neorealism also reflects a broader shift in how cinema is understood and was understood at that time. Instead of being seen only as entertainment, film became a way to document social conditions and to explore the human experience. In this sense, it moves from what we might call the art of invention to the art of observation. This moment has had a lasting influence. Many modern films that focus on realism, social issues, or character-driven storytelling can trace their roots right back to neorealism. I think that's pretty cool. A strong modern recommendation that reflects these same ideas is The Pursuit of Happyness with Will Smith and Jaden Smith, his son. It's a good movie. Go watch it. While it is more polished and produced within the Hollywood system, it still centers on an ordinary man struggling with poverty, instability, and the responsibility of caring for his child. Like neorealist films, it does focus on perseverance, real-world challenges, and emotional truth. This connection shows how the core values of neorealism, honesty, simplicity, and human struggle continue to shape storytelling even in contemporary cinema. To summarize, neorealism is defined by real locations, non-professional actors, and stories about ordinary, regular people, all grounded in the social realities of a post-war life. In the next episode, we'll explore how this approach compares to classical Hollywood storytelling and why both styles continue to shape film as we know it today. Peace. Watch more films. You just watched some film theory. I'm sorry, I'm having fun with this. This is really fun. Yeah. Also, scholarly, looking very scholarly. I'm about to graduate. I'm an honor student. Really cool. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. I really appreciate all of your support. Yeah, I'm tired.